Hello guys, we're back with another review today. We will take a close look at EKSA's latest wireless headset. The H5 is one of the best wireless PC headsets with microphone. Our review will focus on its features, usability, build quality and comfort. Let's check it out. The box contents include USB dongle, a Bluetooth transmitter, a bag to transport them in comfort and safety, a user manual, USB-C charging cable, and the wireless headset itself. The headset produces great sound quality, especially for music, and has an elegant ergonomic design that is very comfortable to wear and doesn't feel cheap thanks to the breathable earpad. The microphone records clear sound without any distortion. They are super comfy. The foam pads are soft and work well at keeping outside noise from getting in, and don't ever feel like they are squeezing your head or anything. With its powerful charging dock, it can be fully charged within 1.5 hours, allowing you to enjoy music for 25 hours or chat for 45 hours. Its Bluetooth 5.0 chip offers a better connection speed of 10 meters. Audio transparency echo noise reduction technology, AI-powered, allows you to hear people clearly while eliminating distracting background noises all at once, while EKSA is able to adapt its audio transmission according to the receiving end and deliver the most effective audio quality possible, a feature that comes in particularly handy while riding public transportation or in loud environments like factories and sports arenas. Overall, I've had a great time using this device and I highly recommend it if you are looking for something affordable, great sounding, and comfortable. Well, that's all for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to stay tuned for more awesome tech reviews. So see you around, and thanks for watching.